Hello everyone, Shantae here. Hope you guys are having a great day. So I wanted to come in and share with you guys my project this week for the Cutting Cafe. So we had a choice of making anything with cupcakes. So I'm not gonna hold you long. I'm gonna show you what I made, and I was thinking happy, colorful. Here we go. I made this large cupcake card, and when I was pulling the colors together, I thought about Fruit Loops, Fruity Pebbles. Yeah, I was in a bubbly place. But anyway, I love the way it turned out, of course. Just all cardstock. All of this came from the Cutting Cafe. I did the sentiment on my computer. This particular file didn't come with any sentiments, so I just did my own. It says, hey there cupcake, and I put stickles all the cherries, and then on the inside it says, praying life continues to be sweet for you. So that's the inside. So as you can see, this is a humongous card, and I love the way it turned out. Then I left room for me to write at the bottom because I have someone to send this to. So yep, so that is my card for the Cutting Cafe using the cupcake files, and of course you can do whatever you want to do. It also came with sprinkles, a candle, but I only used the card base, the layer, second layer, and the cherries with the layers on top. See, that's the cherry, and that's the layers to the cherry. So I love it. Cherry rifle. You guys know when you come to me, I don't have a set style. I just create based on how I feel. So that's it. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.